Let's talk about lighting. Why is it important? Knowing how to light properly is such a commonly overlooked skill. Probably because when the lighting is good, it goes unnoticed. The scene just looks like a quality scene, and you just sink into the content. But when the lighting is bad, it definitely goes noticed. People will notice the low production quality immediately and be less trusting in your video. If I were to have really poor lighting, like this, while trying to explain a professional concept to you, you'll feel way less inclined to trust me as opposed to good lighting. Good lighting shows that the company or person has put time or money into their delivery. Lighting can also be used to set the entire mood of a scene. From high contrasty style of lighting for suspense, to fantasy dreamlike lighting, to happy and bright lighting. Changing your lighting setup, or even just changing the angle of your camera to get different lighting, can affect your entire shot. This is why lighting properly is about lighting purposefully. And lastly, good lighting saves you time in editing later. You will thank yourself. The worse your lighting is, the more time you're gonna spend in editing later, boosting the exposure and popping out the shadows and changing the color temperature and all that, and it's just gonna waste your time because it's still gonna come out subpar. So in this section, we're gonna be talking about shooting with outdoor light versus shooting with indoor light, shooting in low light, and even white balance and color temperature. Let's do it.